Hello and welcome to today's video about my cosmetic pouch. Actually, I'm not a proper makeup person, so I don't keep any makeup pouch or makeup bag in my handbags, but I do carry some cosmetics type of things and also some other necessary things. Those are not considered as cosmetics, and I carry them in a small pouch or a small purse. So I would like to call it as my handbag essentials kit or handbag essentials pouch rather than a cosmetic pouch. So in this video, I'm sharing about the pouch and what the things I keep in that pouch. So let's start. So this is my handbag essentials pouch or handbag essentials kit. It's from Bath and Body Works and I didn't buy it. It was a gift and it was actually a gift set, and there was a small body lotion, a shower gel, a hand sanitizer, a lip gloss, a loofah, and also this, but later I detached it from this pouch and I'm using it for other purpose. So this is the pouch. I'm not so sure how my camera is capturing the color, but it's actually red. The whole pouch is red, but on the top here is pink color, and here on the top is the zipper pull to open it and close it. So yeah, and here it's engraved with Bath and Body Works on both sides. So we're opening it and let's check it out. What's here? And here at first I have a very small Vaseline. I always keep a Vaseline with me. My lips are very much dry all the year round, so I have to have this thing in my pouch. And then I have this, a small hair clip, and then I have this. In here I keep a hair stick and also a hair tie. I had a black hair stick before, but it's broken, so I'm now keeping this one. As I have long hair, I always have to keep these things with me. And then I have this, a pen, and yeah, with this a small notebook, and I always keep these two with me. They're very much helpful. And then I have this tissues. I always keep a packet of tissue in my bag and also another extra packet of tissues in this pouch because I use a lot of tissues all the day. And now a number of things. Okay, we'll take care of these things later. So yeah, at first we have these two things. These are actually shopping bags. This is small and it's bigger one. Yeah, I always keep them. And these two shopping bags, with these two shopping bags I also keep two poly bags, and these bags help me a lot, so I always keep them. And then I have this, some band-aids. And now the interesting part, these two, I have to take out another one. Yeah, these three things, they look like stickers, but they're not. They are called as tip in our country, and they're kind of accessory. When we wear our traditional dress shari, we wear this thing. And yeah, sometimes we wear this just a single one, or sometimes we mix and match more than one colors and designs with our dress or our look, and then we wear this. So yeah, this thing literally changes the whole look within seconds. I like tip very much and I always keep a number of them with me. They are very easy to carry and yeah, they are very much helpful. So yeah, this is it. And the next thing was in my pouch. You have already understood what it is, and it's a mirror. Yeah, this is a mirror, and I like this mirror so much. I like to hold it in my hand with this part, and also I like the whole design. Here's a peacock and the colors. I don't know, it looks very much gorgeous to me and I love it so much. I'm using it for several years and yeah, I love it so much. So the next things, I have a number of things here. So yeah, it's a hand sanitizer, and this is the sanitizer came with this pouch, and I like this sanitizer so much. And as far as I know, Bath and Body Works has new kind of hand sanitizers, and the shape of the container is different now, but I like this container so much. So even when I buy new hand sanitizers, I pour it into it and I use it, this same container again and again. I don't know why I like it so much. So yeah, this is it. And then I have this. It's my perfume atomizer, and you have probably seen it. You have already seen it in my video on how to refill your perfume atomizer. So yeah, I keep it with me. Then I have these two lip balms. It's a normal lip balm and it's a tinted lip balm. So when I apply it, it just moisturizes my lips. But this one, it creates some color on my lips when I apply it and also moisturizes. So then I have this. I've said that I'm not a makeup person, but I do have some touch-up things, and I don't carry any compact or face powder, press powder, but this is just normal Johnson's baby powder. When my face gets oily, I take a tissue paper and clear out my oils. Then I apply a little bit of powder on my face, this baby powder. This container is not from Johnson's. The smallest container from the Johnson's is a little bulky and I don't like it. So I pour some in this container, this thin and small one, and I use it from this container. So then I have some medicines, and then this small packet I keep some safety pins and one James clip with me. And then I have this, a lighter. I keep it and I use it for different reasons, but not so much. And lastly, I have this, a silica gel. I always keep a silica gel in all my bags and handbags, and also in this pouch. So that's all the things I carry in this pouch. So that's all about my handbag essential kit or handbag essentials pouch. So thanks for being with me. And also, by the way, the next video in my channel will be a what's in my bag video, and it's my second what's in my bag video. So yeah, that's all for today, and as always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant. Take care. And if you like this video and want to be with me more, then